Welcome to the AZ channel and let's start for today. Few videos about disobeying traffic lights.
Holy oh my god.
Dash.
Before the unit out the door and drag on the pavement. The medicops are taking it easy, cruising down the middle lane, not above issuing a speeding ticket here and there, as long as they're in their jury.
Right, but after a generation or two, they stop. Though. So you really don't. It's overrated. Anything that you see everybody pushing.
Adjust your speed according to the road condition.
Oh, hit it. Yep.
Oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh. Ah. God damn.
Wow. Dumbass, bro. Oh.
It's very simple to keep distance between the cars.
I just don't know. I'm putting it.
What happened?
Someone crashed.
You okay?
Yeah, that just scared the What the
Like they see each other probably at the office kind of thing, yeah, like before like they actually head out.
Oh, get